Welcome back to my channel where we talk all things fashion, beauty, and style. Today, I have something super exciting planned for you all. We're diving into the vibrant world of colors and how to make them work for you. Whether you're getting ready for a big event or just want to look fabulous every day, I've got you covered. Listen, I get it. Finding the perfect colors to complement your gorgeous tan or olive skin can be a struggle. You might feel overwhelmed by the endless options out there, and it can be tough to know where to start. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate through this colorful journey. We're going to explore different shades, tones, and hues that will not only enhance your natural beauty, but also boost your confidence. Sometimes you just want to wear a color that makes you look and feel alive, you know? It's all about finding that perfect balance between what looks good and what feels good. We'll talk about how to mix and match colors, how to create stunning outfits, and how to make sure you're always looking your best. Plus, I'll share some of my favorite tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. But don't worry, boo, because in this video, we're gonna dive deep into the world of color and find the absolute best shades to make your tan or olive skin pop. From bold and bright to soft and subtle, we'll cover it all. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's get started on this colorful adventure together. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at picking out the perfect colors for any occasion. Let's do this! First up, we're talking about earthy tones. These colors are inspired by the natural world around us, drawing from the rich hues of the earth, the warmth of the sun, and the subtle shades of nature. Earthy tones are not just a trend, they are a timeless palette that brings a sense of calm and groundedness to any wardrobe. They evoke a feeling of being connected to the earth, making you feel both stylish and in harmony with nature. Okay, think rich mustards like that perfect Dijon. Mustard is a color that exudes confidence and sophistication. It's bold yet versatile, making it a fantastic choice for both casual and formal wear. Imagine a mustard dress paired with gold accessories, or a mustard sweater that adds a pop of color to your fall wardrobe. This shade is perfect for making a statement without being too overpowering. Terracotta like those beautiful clay pots. This warm, earthy hue is reminiscent of sun-baked landscapes and ancient pottery. Terracotta is a color that brings warmth and depth to your outfit, making it perfect for those who want to add a touch of rustic charm to their look. Whether it's a terracotta dress or a pair of terracotta pants, this color is sure to make you stand out in the best way possible. And don't even get me started on burnt orange. This vibrant yet earthy shade is perfect for those who want to make a bold fashion statement. Burnt orange is a color that radiates energy and warmth, making it ideal for both summer and autumn wardrobes. Imagine a burnt orange dress that catches the sunlight just right, or a burnt orange scarf that adds a touch of flair to your outfit. This color is all about embracing your inner fire and letting it shine. These colors, along with olive green and warm browns, are like the holy grail for us tan and olive skin queens. Olive green is a versatile shade that complements a wide range of skin tones, while warm browns add a touch of elegance and sophistication. These colors are perfect for creating a cohesive, earthy look that feels both timeless and modern. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or keeping it casual, these shades will always have you looking your best. They just enhance our natural warmth in a way that's effortlessly chic. Earthy tones have a way of bringing out the best in our natural complexion, highlighting our features and adding a touch of glow. These colors are perfect for those who want to embrace their natural beauty and feel confident in their own skin. Whether it's a warm brown dress or an olive green jacket, these shades will always make you feel like the best version of yourself. Trust me, you'll be serving looks for the gods, honey. Earthy tones are all about embracing your inner goddess and letting your natural beauty shine. These colors are timeless, versatile, and always in style, making them a must-have for any fashion-forward wardrobe. So go ahead, embrace the earthy goddess within you, and let your style speak for itself. You'll be turning heads and making a statement wherever you go. Now, if you're feeling a little fancy, let's talk about jewel tones. These colors are not just for royalty. They can make anyone feel like a queen. Imagine stepping into a room and all eyes are on you because you're radiating confidence and elegance. That's the power of jewel tones. We're talking emerald green like Yas Queen. Give me Cleopatra vibes. This color is all about luxury and opulence. It's the kind of green that makes you feel like you're draped in the finest silks, walking through ancient palaces. Emerald green is bold, it's daring, and it's absolutely stunning. Sapphire blue, deep and mysterious, just like us, right? This shade of blue is like the night sky, full of secrets and endless possibilities. It's a color that speaks of wisdom and depth, perfect for those who want to make a statement without saying a word. When you wear sapphire blue, you're telling the world that you're not afraid to be seen. And of course, we can't forget about rich purple and teal. Purple has always been associated with royalty and nobility. It's a color that exudes power and grace. Teal, on the other hand, is vibrant and refreshing, a perfect blend of blue and green that brings a unique twist to your wardrobe. Together, these colors create a palette that's both regal and modern. These colors add a touch of luxury and sophistication to any outfit. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or just want to feel fabulous on a regular day, jewel tones have got you covered. They elevate your style and make you feel like you're wearing a piece of art. Don't be afraid to rock these colors, sis. You deserve to shine bright like the jewel you are. Embrace the richness, the depth, and the sheer beauty of jewel tones. Let them be a reflection of your inner royalty. So go ahead, step out in those vibrant hues, and let the world see you in all your glory. Okay, let's be real. Sometimes we just want to keep it simple, right? That's where warm neutrals come in. We're talking camel, beige, caramel, and warm gray. These colors are timeless, elegant, and they go with everything. Plus, they create a beautiful, understated look that lets your natural beauty shine through. Think of it like this. Sometimes less is more, and these colors prove it. Now, for my girls who love to make a statement, let's talk about bright and bold colors. Coral, warm reds, magenta, turquoise. These colors are not for the faint of heart, okay? They're vibrant, they're energetic, and they look absolutely stunning on tan and olive skin tones. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the shades that make you feel your most confident and radiant. Because when you look good, you feel good. Last but not least, we have to talk about metallics. Gold and bronze especially look absolutely fire on olive and tan skin tones. These colors add a touch of glamour and sophistication to any look, making it unforgettable. Whether you're going for a casual daytime vibe or a glammed-up evening look, a touch of gold or bronze can really elevate your style game. Trust me, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. So there you have it, my loves. The best colors for tan and olive skin. Remember, while these colors can enhance your natural beauty, the most important thing is to wear what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Experiment, have fun, and don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion tips.